Hello children, welcome to your English class. The main objective of today's class is to discuss an unseen paragraph with you. So let's recall the key points to solve an unseen paragraph. Read the paragraph thoroughly. Focus on the main points. Write meanings of difficult words. After reading, read the questions and find out their answers from the given paragraph. Now kids, open your super comprehension book and the name of the chapter is A Great Invention. Now it's reading time. Let's start reading. Open your book, page number 16, lesson number 6. A Great Invention. Invention means creation. Write down CREATION, creation. No cycles, no cars, no buses, no trains, not even aeroplanes. Yes, that is what the world would be like without wheels. How would you go to school? Underline school. Write the meaning, a place to study. If there were no wheels, no one knows when the first wheel was made. Life must have been very hard without wheels. Early humans must have used simple carts, underline carts. Write the meaning, a vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels, without wheels to pull big loads. Underline loads, write the meaning, something that is to be carried. They must have used animals to help them. So children, in these two paragraphs, we came to know that life was very hard without wheels. Even no one knows when the first wheel was made. Early human used simple carts without wheels to pull big loads. Even they used animals to help them. Come to next paragraph. Then somebody must have seen a log. Underline log. Write the meaning, a thick piece of wood. Rolling and got an idea. They would have placed logs under the carts to make them move easily. The first wheels might have been made by cutting the logs into round shapes. Carts were then placed on them. It made life easy. People carried goods on carts. They could even travel. Underline travel, write the meaning, movement from one place to another on these carts. In these two paragraphs, we come to know that somebody must have seen a log rolling and got an idea. The first wheels might have been made by cutting the logs into round shape. Then they placed carts on them. It made their life easy. They carried goods on carts and even they used carts to travel from one place to another. Now kids, we have read the paragraph. I will ask you some questions. Question 1 is, how was the life without wheels? Now let's cross check your answer. The life was very hard without wheels. Second question is, what did early humans use to pull big loads? Let's cross check your answer. Early humans used simple carts without wheels to pull big loads. Third question is, how was the first wheel made? Answer is, the first wheel was made by cutting the logs into round shapes. Now come to next question. Question number 4 is, which invention made the life of early humans easy? Let's cross check your answer. The invention of wheel made the life of early humans easy. Now come to next question. Question number 5 is, how did early humans use carts? Answer is, early humans used carts to carry and to travel from one place to another. Next exercise we are going to discuss, that is true false. Write T for true or F for false. Number 1 is, life was very easy before wheels were made. Yes, it's false. Number 2 is, early humans used carts without wheels. Yes, it's true. Number 3 is, humans never used animals to carry loads. Yes, it's false. Number 4 is, the first wheels were made from logs. Yes, it's true. Next is, the logs were cut into square shapes. The answer is false. Number 6 is, humans use carts to travel from one place to another. The answer is true. Now next exercise we are going to discuss, that is match the columns to complete the sentences. Number 1, life was very hard. Number 2, early humans used simple carts. Number 3, early humans put logs. Number 4, the first wheel was made. Number 5, carts with wheels. Options are A, made traveling easy. B, under the simple carts. C, by cutting a log into round shapes. D, to pull big loads. E, without wheels. Now let's cross check your answers. Life was very hard. Answer is without wheels. So put number 1 in front of E. Number 2, early humans used simple carts to pull big loads. Put number 2 in front of D. Early humans put logs under the simple carts. Put number 3 in front of B. The first wheel was made by cutting a log into round shapes. Put number 4 in front of C. Carts without wheels. Made traveling easy. Put number 5 in front of number A. So your numbering is 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay children, now next exercise we are going to discuss, that is replace the first letter of each word to make a new word. Use a letter from the ones given in the brackets. First one they have done for you. Number 1, cat. Options are N, B, K. They have replaced C with B. And the new word is bat. Number 2, den. Options are F and M. We will replace D with M and the new word is men. Number 3 is log. Options are E, D, W. We will replace L with D and the new word is dog. Now number 4 is round. Options are F, T, U. And we will replace R with F. The new word will be F-O-U-N-D, found. Now next exercise we are going to discuss, that is filling the blanks. Number 1, early humans made the first dash. And the answer is early humans made the first wheel. Number 2 is they used dash to carry goods and travel to different places. Answer is they used logs to carry goods and travel to different places. Now come to number 3. After making the wheel, early humans started to make dash. Answer is after making the wheel, early humans started to make pots. Come to number 4. Early humans also discovered dash. And the answer is early humans also discovered fire. Okay kids, I hope you have understood the today's topic very well. Now complete your related exercises given to you in your book. Thank you and have a nice day.